The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about Google here. So I'm on friendly.com here, so let's go check this out. So it says here, Google apps and services will now require your phone to be certified. So yeah, so let's go check this out and see what it means for the Android folks out there. So yeah, so if you guys could see this little thing right here, how would you guys this thing right here, I guess. So it says Compatibility Test Suite. How does the CTS work? The Compatibility Test Suite is a free commercial grade test suite available for download. The CTS represents the mechanism of compatibility. The CTS runs on a desktop machine and execute test case directly on the test devices or an emulator. The CTS is a set of unit tests designed to be integrated into the daily workflow, such as via a continuous build system of the engineers building a device. Its intent is to review incompatibilities early on and ensure that the software remains compatible throughout the development process. Says the CTS is an automatic testing harness that includes two major software components. The CTS Trade test harness runs on your desktop machine and manages test execution. Individual test cases are executed on the developer under test. The test cases are written in Java as JUnit test and packaged as Android APK files to run on the actual device target. If the device manufacturer didn't go through the process, you might be in some trouble. Alright. So it says, to make sure they are legal and legit, Android device makers have to go through Google's CDD and CTS. After passing those tests and paying a license fee for the use of Google services, manufacturers will be allowed to preload Google full suite of apps on their devices. However, some companies have a history of foregoing this processes, opting instead of ship their device with their own application storefronts and services. Samsung, damn it. Like Amazon as well as many Chinese phone vendors, which such device consumers would often sideload Google services which used to work seamlessly afterward. However, these times may be coming to an end, as it looks like Google is gearing up to restrict the access of such non-Google certified devices to their services. Multiple users have posted that they have been getting notifications informing them that their access to the Google services has been stopped because of the device or the software on the device isn't certified. So that's what the message looks like there. Let me blow this up so you guys can see this. That's what this message looks like. Let's see if I can zoom in. Alright, so as you guys can see right there, the device is not certified by Google. Users who purchase this device, unlicensed manufacturers, licensed manufacturer, custom ROM users. So if you guys want to take a look at this, just pause the video and you guys can hopefully will see this. So that's what the message will say on there. Holy shit, what the fuck happened? Yeah, so let's keep going here. So that's what the message says. You guys want to pause the video and read the message. You guys can do it if you guys want to. It says, what can you do in case you've been using just such a device with sideloaded Google apps and you start getting restricted access notifications? Well, you really have one or two options. One, email the device developer. Email the device manufacturer and demand a new certified device. If you're running a ROM On a certified device, you can enter your Android ID here to get certified. I'm not sure what Android ID is, but alright, you can find out your Android ID by downloading the device ID app, entering #pound 8255 #, and your phone dialer, or going to menu settings about finding status. Alright. So yeah, I guess if you guys are using the Android phone that's not certified by Google, you're not gonna be able to use their apps or services. So keep that in mind. And it also talks about that manufacturers have been foregoing this process, was that I guess they've been skipping it or whatever, and they've been putting their own uh, app stores on there. Like fucking Samsung still does that shit. I think they still do it with the Galaxy apps or whatever. And other manufacturers does it too. Like I know Huawei I guess does it or whatever. So if your device is not certified by Google, you're not gonna really use Google apps and services. So you keep that in mind. So if you guys reach your phone, you guys need to read that message very carefully and all that stuff. I guess if you guys try to use like an Android emulator online, you guys can get Android emulators on your desktop and use it there. So you guys can download the Android emulators and use them on your desktop computer. I've done that a few times, but they're okay. The best one to get is BlueStacks. If you guys want to get Android emulator on your computer, BlueStacks is the way to go. I've tried other ones. NoxPrice sucks ass. BlueStacks is the best Android emulator out there, in my opinion. It's the best one. It's the best one to get. Cause you can play games and do all that good stuff on there. I don't know, but if you download your Android emulator on your desktop, whatever, it's not certified because it's not a real device. It's a emulation of Android. It's emulation. It's not a real. It's not a real device. It's not real. And so if you guys get a device or whatever that's not certified by Google, you guys not gonna be able to use Google Apps and Services. And if that ever happens to you, whatever, email the device manufacturer like Google or Samsung or whoever, and tell them that you want a new certified device. And if you're rooted and you're running a custom ROM, you can enter in your Android ID to get certified. You can find your Android ID by downloading the device ID application, enter in #, 8255 #, and your phone dialer, or go in the menu settings about finding status. Alright, so that's how you guys should do all that. This is probably a good thing, because this is probably a good thing, I guess, so people don't try to satellite Google apps. It said here in the article, people would get uncertified devices, whatever, and people would fucking satellite Google apps and shit like that, whatever. So yeah, this is pretty interesting, guys. So if you guys try to use an Android emulator on your desktop, you guys might not be able to use that thing. I guess I don't know. I would have to try out BlueStacks again and see if I get that message up there. I'm about to try that again, because like I said, BlueStacks is the best Android emulator to use, in my opinion. So yeah, man, this shit's fucking crazy, but it's good. It's good. It's for good reason, guys. So yeah, so the only way that your device is uncertified if you use your Android emulator on your desktop, like I said, or if someone sells you a fucking phone that if someone sells your phone that it's not certified or whatever, you can also go to your Play Store, go to settings, and scroll down and say device certification, and they'll say certified or not certified. They'll tell you that too in the Google Play Store, and you guys can check it that way as well. So if you guys have gotten this message right here on the screen, let me know if you guys have ever gotten this message before, and let me know what did you do about it. This is for good reason, you know what I'm saying? Because Google's, because it says that manufacturers they have to make sure that they make sure that the Android devices are legal and legit and not crackheaded or whatever. So you know the manufacturers they have to pass through Google's CDD and CTS test to do that. And they also had to pay a licensing fee to put Google Apps on their phones and shit like that. Blah blah blah. You guys know. And yeah, and that talks about storefront. It says however, some companies have a history of foregoing this process, often instead of just to ship their device with their own application storefronts and services. Samsung is a big one on that. Cause my last Samsung phone I had, it had fucking Galaxy apps on that bitch, and that. See, I don't know why manufacturers have their own app stores. They should just use Google Play Store and that's it. Well, Amazon, that's different, cause Amazon App Store, that's different. That's different because if you're buying an Amazon product, you're gonna get Amazon App Store on it. You're not gonna get Google services on the Amazon tablet, but you can download Google Apps on the Amazon tablet if you guys want to do that. And yeah, it talks about application storefronts and services. So, like a lot of companies do that. Like Samsung is the big one. Huawei I think does it. I think Alcatel does it. I think ZTE might do it. I think Xiaomi might do it or whatever. I mean, I don't know why manufacturers put their own app stores on that. They shouldn't do that. They should just get rid of it and just use the Google Play Store to get all your apps. Because if you guys try to download anything from the let's say the Samsung App Store, you guys will get shitty ass apps. If you guys want the real apps, go to the Google Play Store and get the real apps from the Play Store. Trust me, guys, it's a lot better, and you'll get a lot better apps and shit. So yeah, so yes, if your Android device isn't certified, you might be in big shit. If you ever get in that problem, just email the device manufacturer and tell them that you guys want a new certified device, and you guys should hook you up with that. So, what do you guys think about Google requiring your friend to be certified to use Google Apps and Services? Do you guys think this is a good move? Because I think it is a good move. And so, what do you guys think about this? Have you guys gotten that message at the bottom of the article here? What did you guys do when you guys got that message and stuff like that? So yeah, guys. So that's pretty much it, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.